Manan, if you want me, oh, that's slip over here, sir. Whoa!
और बहुत तगड़े शॉट्स मार रहे हैं एवेन्यू. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh! Dominant position campaigning.
Now let's take a look at the first fight. The first fight is Bon Jovi versus Musa Rash. Rahul,
And the action begins. Referee in the cage is Mayank Dogra. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, MFN5 is live now with the first fight. Okay.
Wow, what a shot. Musa landed a good shot on Bon Jovi's chin.
But as I said, Bon Jovi has a good counter. He can
Bon
eat
Jovi
shots.
counters.
Okay, now Musa on the cage. Bon Jovi trying to control Musa against the cage.
एकदम एक्शन स्टार्ट हो गई है. What a start to Matrix Fight Night 5. Bon Jovi has side mount. Musa फटाफट निकल रहे हैं, खड़े हो गए. Good job by Musa. ऊपर खड़े होते हुए एक नी लैंड हुआ Musa की chin पे.
Then plan the attack. So
और ये देखो डांस.
well,
Musa
that's some
का डांस चल रहा है भाई.
showboating. Some showboating from Musa.
Wow.
A guy who can eat punches, eat kicks. This guy is conditioned.
Ooh, a
That
great
was
kick
a-
landed from Bon Jovi.
Was that a nut shot? For him to counter attack. Manan, if you ask me, I think. Oh, that's
slip
a
हो गए.
slip. That's a slip.
अब देखते हैं इस पोजीशन का फायदा उठा पाते हैं मूसा की नहीं.
Phil, an experienced referee as well. Whoa!
Ooh,
This
nice
is the counter that I was
shot.
talking about.
That was a great counter punch by Bon Jovi. मूसा का स्टाइल अलग ही है राहुल. मतलब इतना कॉन्फिडेंस, बीच में हाथ नीचे खड़े होके वो चलना शुरू
What
कर
was
देते
that?
हैं,
He
नाचना
started
शुरू कर
walking in the
देते हैं.
cage.
Wow, I love this guy's style. मुझे बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है.
Whoa! That's a nice
Good
right
shots.
hand.
Good shots
Straight on the
landed.
chin.
The thing I love Rahul about Musa is his style. अरे क्या लात पकड़ी है.
Whoa!
Wow.
Excellent.
और दोनों
Excellent.
फाइटर्स ग्राउंड पे. इस बार बॉन जॉवी ऊपर है राहुल. मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे बॉन जॉवी को कुछ रिस्क लेने पड़ेंगे और वो ले रहा है. अब बड़े बड़े हाथ छोड़ रहा है वो.
He tried
Wow.
getting in the side control.
Wow.
That was a nice right hand by Musa. Want this fight to go to the judges' decision. Well, that's a nice
टेक डाउन
strike.
अटेम्प्ट किया बॉन जॉवी ने. बहुत अच्छे से डिफेंड किया मूसा ने. ये टेक डाउन लिया बॉन जॉवी ने
Well,
और
that wasn't a
इंस्टेंटली खड़ा हो
takedown.
गया.
That wasn't a takedown, man.
It was an attempt.
Look at the cage control. Look at the Bon Jovi's cage control. Though Musa tried to reverse it, but
See that takedown. Look at that takedown. So Bon Jovi did attempt a few takedowns. He even got a few takedowns. But Musa was very quick to reverse the dynamic. Take a look at that, Rahul. That was the push kick. And
that was
the
the
slip.
unlucky slip.
That was the unlucky slip, and everything from there just went downhill for Bon Jovi. See that? From there, it all just went downhill for Bon Jovi. Musa did not let go of that. He capitalized on that. He got his back.
Have been more effective.
Absolutely, man. Had he had those hooks inside, he wouldn't have lost the back, and he could have possibly finished the fight from there.
Manan, I'm sorry, I love both these guys, but I have a suggestion for them. I think they should go after this bout. I'm very excited for the next bout coming up. That's a bantamweight bout between Abhimanyu Rai and Clinton D. Cruz. And the action begins. Manan, I really want to stand up and watch this fight.
क्लिंटन की तरफ से टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट और बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड किया अभिमन्यु ने. क्लिंटन छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं अभी भी उस लात को. वो टेक डाउन फिनिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और बहुत तगड़े शॉट्स मार रहे हैं अभिमन्यु. Oh my God, oh my God, Clinton got rocked.
I think Clinton is hurt.
got rocked.
I think Clinton is hurt.
Oh.
I think
Wow.
Clinton is hurt. Only 60 seconds of first round and he's already attacking.
There it is. Oh my God, oh my
goodness.
God.
I
That is
think-
insane.
Oh, what a
takedown.
slam. What a takedown.
He went a couple of feet up in the air there, Rahul.
Well, in the first 2 minutes of the fight, Abhimanyu has actually rocked Clinton's world. I think so Clinton can always come back. Look at those eyes. Wow. What an excellent takedown.
Yeah.
That was very technical. Manan, that was very technical. Get some techniques there. Oh my goodness.
Ooh,
As we
that was
said.
unpredictable. Where did that come from, man?
Well, let's see. Oh, that's a nice right hand by Clinton. Round 2 action begins. Power back. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Well, Abhimanyu. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
I think we are going to see a lot of slams in this bout. Triangle, but he gets the triangle. He's setting it up. Oh my goodness.
He's landing some elbows from the bottom, man. Vicious.
He's
I don't think I don't know if he's landing legal elbows or maybe they're not allowed to be landed where they're landing. Oh, that's a nice
that's
slam. We've
from
got
here.
20 seconds, Rahul, on the clock.
Yes. I don't think so.
Does
the
he have
choke
it? Does he have the
He
triangle?
doesn't have it. No, he doesn't have it. He needs to put his left arm towards the right.
10 seconds.
Maybe he has it.
10 seconds.
Maybe. Whoa!
my
Clinton
God!
gets it.
Oh my God.
Goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh my God.
Clinton,
That is
the
unbelievable.
Kurgi boy has actually proved it.
That is unbelievable.
Background that
Wait
way.
for the elbows now. Look at the elbows. Look at the elbows. Look at that.
I think he threw a dozen of elbows in that round.
Look at that. Those elbows are what did the damage. Those elbows are what cut open Clinton and really rocked him. Amazing, amazing display of skill, of strength, and of heart by
Let's look at the
That was the
highlights.
finish. That was the
That's
finish
where
right there.
he sets up the triangle. And I thought he doesn't have it. He doesn't have it in the frame. But look at it. Look at the pressure. He's taken his hip up and trying to take the leverage of the same. And Pahadi Beast goes off to sleep.
And referee Abhishek Bisht did a good job of seeing that Abhimanyu is no longer there and he stopped the fight on time.
Manan, Matrix Fight Night 5 is sanctioned by GAMF and we have our own set of rules.
Absolutely, the Global Association of Mixed Martial Arts Federations, GAMAF. Let's look at the last preliminary fight. We have Karan Lama fighting Anthony Syam. कि एंथनी करन को नीचे ले जा पाते हैं या करन एंथनी के साथ एक स्ट्राइकिंग मैच कर पाते हैं. राहुल, क्या बोलते हो आप?
Karan has a massive reach advantage in this.
Oh, what a nice left hook right on the button. Oh, that kick rocked him, but he came back so viciously and took Karan down, man. Wow, what a comeback.
Honestly, this is a big night for both the guys.
Just look at the power. Wow.
Excellently. Oh.
When he caught that kick, slammed him back. It's almost like a... Oh, that was a flying elbow or a punch.
Was that a Superman punch?
I think it was a super...
Oh!
And he rocked him hard. But he's back up on his feet. Just this is... और एंथनी इस मौके का फायदा उठाना
That's a
चाहते
nice
हैं
counter.
और करण एक्चुअली दूर भाग रहे हैं इस टाइम एंथनी से. एंथनी ने जोर से फेंका करण को.
Trying to recover. Oh!
I see Anthony taking deep
Excellent
breaths.
shots. Oh!
Oh my God!
Is that a knockout?
This could be game over right here. That was a hard punch. Nice
Ah, I love the way he eats that kick and tries to take it.
kick. I don't think he can take a third shot.
Oh my goodness. A good elbows, good exchange
Wow.
of punches.
What an exchange! And
I
Karan
told
Lama
you
saying,
about
"Come on."
Karan. Karan is ready for war. And they've been playing IMA Nationals wherever it's happening. That's the beauty of it. So if you guys
और दोनों fighters अब cage के against हैं.
from the cage and then he can start
Oh!
pounding. Oh my goodness.
Elbows.
I think that's it. That's it.
खतरनाक elbows. ये तो बिल्कुल game ही उल्टी हो गई है.
I think
Oh my
Shillong
God, and-
Gangster is done.
Anthony turns around. This is a bad sign. But there's a reversal right there. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy. This is a roller coaster, man.
From the cage and then he can start
Oh!
pounding. Oh my goodness.
Elbows.
I think that's it. That's it.
खतरनाक elbows. ये तो बिल्कुल game ही उल्टी हो गई है.
I think
Oh my
Shillong
God, and-
Gangster is done.
Anthony turns around. This is a bad sign. But there's a reversal right there. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy. This is a roller coaster, man. And if he eats a few shots
Anthony
from
is
here,
on the mount and this is a dominant position for
He's
Anthony.
raining down punches.
He's finished so many fights like this
it
and
could end here.
I think this is over.
Rahul,
I
it could
think
end
this is over. And I'm really hoping that round 3 brings in some intense action. Well, that's a nice technical
Karan Lama की
takedown.
तरफ से takedown बहुत ही
That's a
बढ़िया.
nice technical takedown.
और हाइलाइट्स को देखते हैं. क्या पंचेस एक्सचेंज हुए हैं, खतरनाक. और करण लामा इतनी मार खाने के बाद भी खड़े होकर कह रहे हैं आ जाओ और लड़ते हैं. यहाँ पे करण लामा ने टेक डाउन लिया. काफी देर तक डोमिनेट किया उन्होंने इस पोजीशन के बाद. एल्बोज मारी. बहुत देर तक करण लामा ने इस पोजीशन में डोमिनेट किया. एंड देन आउट ऑफ द ब्लू Anthony reverses this position and for the rest of the fight we see Anthony dominating. इनफैक्ट टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द फाइट ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये फाइट यहाँ खत्म हो जाएगी, TKO हो जाएगा, बट किसी तरह करण ने सरवाइव कर लिया. आई थिंक इट हैज अ लॉट टू डू विद एंथनी
replay Rahul first. So Karan takes him down. It seems like in the beginning Karan is dominating, and he is to quite an extent.